Our first step to solve for a triangle is to solve for A. So if we look at our angle, we have the opposite we're looking for, and we have the hypotenuse, which is given to us. So because of that, I'm going to use sine. So the sine of A is equal to A over C, and I want to solve for A, so I'm going to rearrange my formula. A is equal to the sine of 32.1 degrees multiplied by 56.85. And if I take the sine of 32.10 degrees in my calculator, multiply it by 5685, A comes out to be 30.21 taken to four significant figures. Our second step after we've solved for A, which was 30.21, is to solve for B. And if I look at my angle again here, 32.10, I'm looking for B, which is adjacent over my hypotenuse. So in that case, I'm going to use my cosine. Cosine of A is equal to B over C. I'm looking to solve for B, so I'm going to rearrange my formula. So I'll have the cosine of 32.10 degrees multiplied by 56.85. And when I do that on my calculator, it comes out to be 48.16. So our side B is equal to 48.16. Our third step in our right triangle is to solve for our angle B. We have all of our sides now. So we know that the angles of a triangle add up to be 180 degrees. So angle B plus angle A plus angle C will be 180. And since we're solving for angle B, we know that we can take 180 minus angle A minus angle C. So we have 180 minus 32.1 minus 90. And that means our angle B will come out to be 57.9 degrees. Our final step in solving the right triangle is to make sure that we have correctly calculated our sides and our angles. So to begin, I'm going to check my angles. And all of my angles should add up to be 180 degrees. So I'm going to add 57.9 plus 32.10 plus 90, and they do add up to be 180 degrees. So all my angles are correct. The next thing I'm going to check are my sides. So according to Pythagorean theorem, c squared is equal to b squared plus a squared. So 56.85 squared equal to 48.16 squared plus 30.21 squared. So 56.85 squared gives me 3,232, and when I add up 48.16 squared and 30.21 squared, they also give me 3,232, so I can conclude that my sides are correct as well. So I have solved for this right triangle.